Hello everybody, my name is Dmitry, I'm from Smilodo, and right now let's talk about store settings. We have many store settings and I'll show you how you can set up them. So let's start. Now we're on store setting page and you can see we separate several tabs all settings, and let's start from first. Here you can see you set store logo. Just choose something, and after this you can put this image. Next you can add telephone, and for example you can add more. If not needed you can delete this. Next you put email here, store title here, and for example address each of language version. Next you can see social network information. Now we have only Facebook, and you can add more. For example Instagram, and link of them. Just put, and you can see you choose type of icon and save it, but it's not fully saved like form. You all time need save it. You can change all of this tab, and after this changes save, but better if you work with this tab and save him. Save it. We can go to next. Next, it's menu. You can set some structure of menu. For example, you can add new link. This will be like this. Put everywhere. This link, opening tab. Save this link. You can see we added new link. This link you can sort, put what you want, where you want. For example, you want inside contacts, and you can see like this children of this parent. If not needed you can delete or edit. And next what you can do same add link but directly to this parent. For example like this, you can do like this and save it, and you can see we have now two children. For example, delete one of them very fast, but you need to understand when you work with this you need again save, and after this you have this information on web page. Next what you can do, it's choose type of menu, view of them. You can see how it will be shown. And next it's footer menu. For example, you have top menu, main menu, and footer menu. You can create same links or you can create something different. Right now just need to save it and we can continue. For example, next tab is shipment. You can put some countries where you can ship, and for example you can delete if not needed. Add you just click here, delete of them, for example like this. And boxes if needed, you can add new. This all settings what you need, it's with height length, and where you save this, some methods of shipment can give you some possibility to calculate how much it will be cost. Okay. Next it's invoice. Here you can put logo, you can different with general information, and you can put body of invoice each of these languages. You put here some information and just need save. But we continue. Analytics. You can use Google Analytics. For example, you can use Analytic or tag, and you choose this, and after you need put this track code. Same you can do with another Pinterest and another. You can put some code here, this HTML code, and after this you need save. Next, it's design. Here you can put and choose some them. For example, now it's default them, and you can choose scheme. For example, Navi. After this, you need to choose header template. If needed, you can zoom in and select like this. Same you can do with footer template. Add one of them, and in header you can set some these actions like fix header. If needed, you select. If not needed, unselect. And if you need hide favorites in the account, this icon, you just do like this. After this, you can go to style guide. You set font to your site. Its main font will be used everywhere on your website, and you can add 2 additional fonts, and this you can use in constructor. For example, where you create some page, you can use these additional fonts and main fonts, and you can create something special content. After this, you can go to components. These components have some default styles, and if you set them, for example, another of them, and for each of you, and after this, you can use in constructor. When you use this component type component, all time will create with these settings. It's not needed do every time some change settings. If you can do right here, set default value and use all time. And next, what you can do, it's number of products in catalog. For example, like this set, and all of them need save. Okay, after this, you can continue with customer settings. And here you can see we have house registration. For example, required to registration only a mail, or you can select and telephone and confirm or not confirm them. You can play with it and need all time save it. And last, we have support settings. We can propose you can set Telegram chat, for example, like this, we can see. And here you just step by step do like needed, and you connect your Telegram for our Smilodo bot. And after this, you just put and set some business day. You can add period or just delete what you need. And after this, you need set avatar and some information about this chat with each of this language version. And again, after this, you need save. For example, we save it, and we went through all these tabs. That's all. See you in the next videos.